Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. Friends, on one hand, growing uncertainty in global equity markets is evident enough to encourage gold bulls. But on the other hand, according to Bloomberg, Venezuela has sold 23 tons of gold since the beginning of April, defying an economic blockade meant to stop the lucrative trading Maduro has been using to keep the military loyal to his regime. Last month, the US Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control included the Venezuelan Central Bank in its list of sanctioned entities. Caracas sold about 9.7 tons of gold on May 10th and additional 4 tons after 3 days. These operations helped the bank's total reserves to fall to a 29-year low of $7.9 billion. According to data provided by Monetary Authority, gold makes up the bulk of Venezuela's reserves. That includes $1.2 billion worth of precious metal, with the Bank of England, which has recently blocked Maduro's repeated withdrawal attempts. Therefore, I find that this sudden steep downward move in gold futures has enhanced the suspicion among the traders, because since May 13, here you can see that the gold futures are constantly under bearish pressure despite the falling global equity indices. No doubt, whereas we could have seen gold futures to move upward from these levels when they tried to sustain above the level of 1303, but all of a sudden this sell-off, which I have just explained from the Venezuela, resulted in a sharp downward move, which has resulted in a downward move in gold futures up to the level of 1275. But here we can see that the gold bulls look too eager to go long from these levels, as you can see the formation of two bullish hammers. Let me zoom this part to here. You can see that the formation of this bullish hammer is evident enough for continuity of an uptrend in gold futures. Therefore, I find a gap up opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week will confirm the continuity of an uptrend in gold futures, as the China has already denied to come forward for more talks to resolve tariff trade war due to American move to ban Huawei company of China, which has resulted in Chinese counter move. China expressed its inability to continue further talks with American government to resolve tariff trade war. So I find that the growing concern of economic slowdown going to remain as it was during the previous few months since October 2018, when the two major economies of the world, China and US, started this tariff trade war, which has resulted in a downward move in global equity markets. Now I find that the uncertainty in global equity market has come back once again, where the gold futures will likely to move upward during the upcoming week, and I find that an upward move above the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the level of 1289, will result in more upward moves in gold futures during the upcoming weeks. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures during the upcoming week, and I find that with growing uncertainty at international levels on the tariff trade war front will result in a sustainable move above the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the level of $1292, will result in more sharper upward moves, where the gold bulls will try to achieve the targets of $1308, which will be their first immediate target, where the gold futures may take a steep reversal during the upcoming week. So friends, I find that the uptrend in gold futures will remain intact after a sustainable move above the level of $1308, where the gold bulls will try to achieve their next immediate target at the level of $1320 during the upcoming weeks. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures with a stop loss at $1271. I find that the current position of gold futures will provide a good opportunity to gold bulls to go long from the levels of $1275, where the gold futures will find their first resistance at the level of $1288, where the 200 days moving average will provide some resistance to gold futures. But once the gold futures sustain above the 200 days moving average, we will see a sharp upward move up to the level of $1307, which is the first immediate target for the gold bulls. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.